Latest digital trends. Elon Musk's X launches job hiring feature to challenge LinkedIn in professional networking. Reddit launches moderator rewards program amid site-wide discontent. Microsoft launcher for Android to get ChatGPT-supported Bing chat. WhatsApp working on avatar replies for status updates. Instagram could let you read messages secretly. Microsoft unveils 5-point blueprint for responsible AI governance in India. Google flags upcoming transparency updates to comply with EU DSA. Microsoft puts Python in Excel. AWS unveils new dedicated local zone service for critical workloads. HCLTech collaborates with AWS to accelerate GenAI adoption. Google Home app finally begins adding support for older Nest Cams. LinkedIn rolls out brand partnership tags. Google Search could soon introduce a new Notes feature. Google opens second cloud region in Germany. Snapchat rolls out new After Dark element to encourage participatory sharing. For more digital trend, visit kiranvoleti.com.